Fire True Christian Apostolic International. Theme: Final Eternal Charge to Youths. Key Scripture: 2 Corinthians 4:18. For the things which are seen are temporary, but the things which are not seen are eternal. Day and date: Day 25, Wednesday the 25th of March 2026. Location: United Kingdom. Discussion questions and answers. Q1. What must young believers remember about life? A1. That many things in this world are temporary: sin, youth, pleasure, and popularity. They fade quickly and cannot satisfy the soul. Q2. What things are temporary? A2. Sin, youth, pleasure, popularity. These things pass away and cannot follow a person into eternity. Q3. What things are eternal? A3. The soul, God, judgment, heaven. These realities last forever and must shape how a youth lives. Q4. Why must youths live for what lasts? A4. Because temporary things deceive, but eternal things define destiny. A wise youth invests in what will matter forever. Q5. How does this eternal perspective shape daily choices? A5. It helps youths choose holiness over sin, purpose over pleasure, and God over popularity. Eternity gives clarity. Youth quiz. Final eternal charge to youths. Q1. Which of these is temporary? A. Heaven. B. God. C. Youth. D. The soul. Answer. C. Youth. Q2. Which of these is eternal? A. Pleasure. B. Popularity. C. Judgment. D. Passion. Answer. C. Judgment. Q3. True or false? Sin is temporary. Answer. True. Q4. What should youths live for? A. What lasts. B. What fades. C. What entertains. D. What is popular. Answer. A. What lasts. Q5. What is eternal inside every youth? A. Their reputation. B. Their soul. C. Their achievements. D. Their social media. Answer. B. Their soul. Optional youth activity. Temporary versus eternal. 1. Each youth lists 3 temporary things they must stop chasing. 2. They list 3 eternal things they must start valuing. 3. They write a short prayer of eternal focus. 4. End with a declaration: I live for what lasts forever. Ministry details. Founder: Apostle Forsen Bemham Nkatsia. Contact: 07912041424, 07915990097. Church: True Christian Apostolic Church International. Headquarters: United Kingdom. Branches: Dubai, Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Tunisia, Morocco, Burkina Faso, Italy, Guinea, Liberia, Canada, Kenya, Benin, Togo, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh.